As Albert Einstein rightly quoted, it is the supreme art of the teacher to awaken joy in creative expression and knowledge. Honorable Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, Headmistress Ma'am, fellow students and our inspiring teachers, a heartfelt greetings to one and all. A teacher is a person who creates human beings and instills care, values, respect and love in them. They put in the minds of all their children the right meaning and significance of his or her life on earth. They strive to make a difference in every student's life. Teachers are our second parents who influence our lives and are always present to guide us during our times of need. Teachers' Day holds a special place in the life of each student. This day, the 5th of September, marks the birthday of our country's remarkable and reputed teacher, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who held the position of India's second president. We welcome one and all to this exciting day, where the students would like to take an opportunity to present before you various beautiful performances to add to your memories with us.
A very happy Teachers' Day to all. The thought for the day is: once Henry Brooks Adams said, "A teacher affects eternity. He can never tell where his influence stops." I repeat my thought. A teacher affects eternity. He can never tell where his influence stops.
A very happy Teachers' Day to all. Welcome you all to the news bulletin. Today's news headlines are: Delhi Public School, Gomti Nagar Extension celebrated Teachers' Day with incredible gusto and zeal in the school premises to honor the teaching fraternity. The students had planned their day in such a manner that there was never a dull moment. All the teachers of the school were honored by our respected Principal Ma'am, Ms. Shubham Saluja, for their commitment and dedication to the cause of education. She urged them all to lead a healthy and disciplined life and create a healthy environment. Then the students had made the stage come alive with a wonderful performance.
Not everyone has the patience of a saint, a heart of gold and dedication without end. But you do. You have always been an excellent educator who knew how to illuminate a soul with its light. A very happy Teachers' Day.
Good morning to all teachers and my dear friends. The light of the world, the beacon in the dark and the hope that gives us strength to survive is our teacher. Today we celebrate Teachers' Day, a day kept aside to honor the gifted souls who work every day to make us sure that the future is bright for all of us.
Thank you for teaching me how to read and write, for guiding me to distinguish between wrong and right, for letting me dream and soar as a kite. Thank you for being my friend, mentor and light. Happy Teachers' Day!
Hello everyone, I wish Happy Teachers' Day all my teachers. Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th of September in India as the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who was a great scholar and a teacher. The teacher is an important person in one's life. The teacher is our first God as they make us realize our potential to do the things we never imagined. Teachers brings good education, lays foundation for good habits. They are our idols. Teachers are noble professions. I thank all my teachers for always being with us and shaping our future. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I'm Devansh from class 7B and today I will say a few words to thank my teacher. Firstly, a very big happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. My teacher, you taught me, inspired me, guided me, encouraged me, pushed me to do my best. Thank you for caring about me. I have a future just because of you. Thank you so much.
Respected Principal Ma'am and your teachers, I have no words to express my gratitude for all the support and inspiration. I'm really thankful to you for believing in me and also inspiring all of us, especially during such tough times like pandemic. Happy Teachers!
Inspiring me to do my best. I found guidance, love, friendship and everything in one person. And that person is you. Thank you. Happy Teachers Day.
Hello everyone, I am Kaishi Shrivastava from grade 2C. Dear teachers, though you wrote in black and white, but you brought colors in our lives. Thank you for everything. Happy Teachers Day. Respected teachers, we will always be thankful to you for all the hard work and efforts that you have put in to educate us. Happy Teachers Day. All the efforts and hard work you invested to bring out the best in us can never be repaid in mere words. We can only feel grateful to have a great teacher like you.
Thank you for planting a seed of curiosity and igniting my imagination. You always patiently solve our doubts in class and make the class interesting and fun. You are the guardians for our future. Happy Teachers Day!
The light of the world, the beacons in the dark, and the hope that give us strength to survive is our teachers. Today we celebrate Teachers Day, a day kept aside to honor the gifted soul who work every day to make sure that the future is bright for all of us.
To help us succeed in our paths. To begin with, I would like to salute and extend my overwhelming gratitude towards the teachers community. They have always been a guiding light and provided rigid support to walk through our paths whenever needed. Thank you and a very happy Teachers Day.
Hence, on this special day, to make it more memorable by showing the gratitude to teachers. Our dear teachers, we never forget you in our life, wherever we are. We are thankful and grateful for all your efforts. Thank you so much.